Okay, so we are going to conduct the first question today on the force and the laws of motion. So the question says the mass of cannon is 500 kg. Okay, the mass of cannon is 500 kg and it recoils with the speed of 0.25 meter per second. What is the momentum of the cannon? Okay, so we have to identify the momentum. So I'm just writing the first given part. So what is given? So whatever the question we are going to solve, we had to solve the question in the following way. First, we had to write the given. Okay, so I'm writing given part. What is given? What is given? The mass of cannon. So
Sir, mass of cannon is 500 kg.
yes, mass of cannon is, I'm just considering m, and it is 500 kg. Then
sir, and given sir velocity is
yes,
0.
its velocity, it is given speed, but when it is going to remove that particular object from it, it is going to be in a straight line. So it is on the direction of the fire. So it is the velocity. So velocity, I'm considering it v equals to 0.25
meter
per
per second.
second. Okay. So now we had to write the to find part. After given, we have to write to find. To find. What we had to find?
Sir, momentum of cannon.
Momentum, yes, momentum. And momentum have symbol which is P, and it is equals to question mark that we have to find. Okay. After that, we have to write formula beta. Formula.
Solution or formula?
No, formula. After formula, we have to write solution. So formula it is P, which is nothing but the momentum. It is mass into velocity. Okay. So now we are going to solve over here. Solution. It is quite easy question. Yes, it is. So formula we have, it is momentum equals to mass into velocity. So P is momentum equals, what is mass? It is 500 kg. 500 kg into what is velocity? It is 0.25 meter per second. Okay. So if we will multiply that, the P equals to what we will get? 25 fives are
125.
yes, 125. 125 kg meter per second. Okay, this is the unit. So after getting the answer, we have to write the result also. This is the completion of the question. Result. So what will be the result? The momentum of the momentum of cannon is 125 kg meter per second. Okay, and this is our answer, final answer. Okay, this is the way to solve the question paper. Okay, everyone.
Sir, can I do sir like sir on after solution, sir? Can I do sir like sir according to question? P equal to mass of cannon into velocity of cannon. Then
Okay,
P equal to 500
it is going to be very descriptive. We have the formula which is P equals to mv, and we have considered here mass and velocity. So we had to use m and v. That's why we have mentioned here, no?
Okay, sir.
Yes. Okay, so I want you all to take a screenshot for that. Sorry. Take a screenshot, everyone. So now we are going to solve the second example of the chapter called force and the law of motion. The question says two balls have mass of 50 gram and 100 gram. So suppose we are having two ball, one I'm writing here. Suppose we had two balls. It is A and B. Okay, and they are moving along a straight line. So their mass is given. So suppose A have mass of 50 gram and B have the mass of 100 gram, which is given. And they are moving along with the same direction with velocity is 3 meter per second. So its velocity is 3 meter per second and its velocity is 1.5 meter per second. Okay, respectively. They collide with each other. Okay. After collision, the first ball moves with velocity of 2.5. So after collision, when these balls collide with each other, so after collision, okay, mass will be the same, but velocity will change. So first object have velocity is 1.5. So second one we have to find, and which is v2. Okay, this is the question. Understood question, everyone?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Yeah, so we have mass of first ball is 50 gram and we have converted it into the kg. So it is going to be 0.05 kg. And the mass of second ball is M2 and which is 100 gram. Okay, so it is 0.01 kg. Then first ball initial velocity is 3.0 meter per second and second one is 1.5 meter per second. Final velocity after collision of the first ball is 2.5 and we have to identify the V2 final velocity. Okay, and formula we have M1 VU1 equals to M2 U2 equals to
Yes, sir.
M. Yes. Okay, so now we are going to solve the question. So I'm writing solution here and I'm using another ink for that. Okay.
Sir, so we have to find sir M2 V2 sir by rewriting formula sir.
No, we have to find only V2. Okay, so
Yes, sir. 100 V2 is
Yes.
equal to Malcolm.
yes. So we have M1 U1 plus M2 U2 equals to M1 V1 plus M2 V2. That we have to find. So we have M1. What is M1? It is 0.05. So I'm writing here 0.05 into V1. V1 is 3. So I'm writing here 3 plus. I'm writing in bracket. Okay. Then we have M2. M2 is 100 into V2. V2 is 1 point U2. U2 is 1.5 equals to M1. Again, we have M1 mass of first of this 0.05 into V1. V1 is 2.5. 2.5 plus we have M2. M2 is 100 into V2 we have. Okay, that we have to find V2. So
Sir,
we
M2
are
is 0.1, right?
Yes, sir.
0.1.
100 gram and
yes. 0.1 yes gram into U2. Okay, so now what we had to do, we had
so
to
before
multiply
also you
first.
have written 100.
Where? Yes.
Sir,
I was considering in gram only. Okay, 0.1. Okay, so now we have to multiply 3 into 0.5. So we will get 3 5s are 15. So we will get 0.15 into we have, if we multiply 0.1, then we will get 0.15 only. Is it?
Plus, right? Sir, plus, right?
Yes,
Science.
plus. Yes. We will get 0.15 equals to. Now we have to multiply 0.2 into 2.5. So 2.5 into 0.05 will be, wait a second, let me write 0.05 into 2.5 is 0.125. 125 plus we will write as it is 0.1 into V2. Now we have to add this part. So we will get 5, 5, 10, 0. 0.3 we will get, no? 0.3. And I'm just going to transfer that to another side. So it will come in negative form. So it will 0.125 equals to we have 0.1 into V2. Okay. So we have 0.125 minus 0.3, we will get 0.175 equals to 0.1 into V2. Now I'm going to transfer that 0.1 to another side, or else I can multiply by 10 to each part. Okay, or we will transfer
Sir,
that.
I am telling that only now, sir, that M2 V2, sir, we have to do, sir. Then, sir, we have to divide, sir.
Yeah, 0, or you can multiply 10 by both the sides. So we will get 1.75 into 1 into V2, and 1 into V2 means V2. Therefore, we have V2 equals to 1.7.
Sir, but if I'm doing the same question with fractions, then I'm getting a different answer, sir.
By fraction? No.
Yes, sir. Sir, could you do it once by fraction?
Okay, wait a second. Okay, suppose I'm going to transfer that. So we will get V2 equals to 0.175 divided by 0.1. So see, 0.1 is nothing but here we have to multiply by 10. Okay, same thing. So V2 will be 1.75. Okay, and velocity, so it will be meter per second.
Sir, my answer is correct, sir. On second time, sir, I have sent you.
Okay, and what about yours, Nihar? Sahil? Nihar is there today? Nihar,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
what is your answer, Beta?
Sir, I got it wrong, sir, initially, but then